Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Tour.
We are very happy to have you here today.
Whether you're studying at home, taking a break at work, or practicing English while traveling, you've chosen a great way to improve your speaking skills.
Today's lesson is a special shadowing practice session designed for beginners and intermediate learners.
Our goal is simple.
Listen, repeat, improve.
That's all you need to do. But before we begin, we have a quick question for you.
How often do you speak English out loud?
Many learners spend hours watching videos, reading articles, or learning grammar. Those activities are important.
But speaking English is a skill, and like any skill, it becomes stronger when you practice it regularly.
That's why today's lesson focuses on speaking.
Not tomorrow, not next week.
Right now.
If you've never tried shadowing before, don't worry. It's one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your English.
Here's how it works.
First, listen carefully to a sentence.
Then repeat the sentence aloud.
Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and natural flow.
Imagine that you're walking right behind the speaker and following every word.
That's shadowing.
You don't need perfect pronunciation. You don't need a perfect accent. You simply need to practice.
The more you repeat, the more natural English will feel.
Please don't stay silent during this lesson. Speak with me. Use your voice.
Even if you're alone, even if you feel a little shy, even if you make mistakes.
Every sentence you speak is progress. Every mistake teaches you something. And every minute of practice helps build confidence.
Today you will practice 30 useful English sentences.
For each sentence, listen carefully. Wait for the pause. Then repeat aloud.
Take your time. There is no rush.
The purpose is improvement, not perfection.
Ready? Let's warm up our English speaking muscles and get started.
Sentence 1. I am happy to practice English today. I am happy to practice English today. I am happy to practice English today. Sentence 2. Every day I learn something new. Every day I learn something new. Every day I learn something new. Sentence 3. I enjoy improving my English skills. I enjoy improving my English skills. I enjoy improving my English skills. Sentence 4. I speak English a little better each day. I speak English a little better each day. I speak English a little better each day. Sentence 5. I am becoming more confident when I speak. I am becoming more confident when I speak. I am becoming more confident when I speak. Sentence 6. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. Sentence 7. Practice helps me improve. Practice helps me improve. Practice helps me improve. Sentence 8. I listen carefully and speak clearly. I listen carefully and speak clearly. I listen carefully and speak clearly. Sentence 9. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my effort. Sentence 10. I believe in my progress. I believe in my progress. I believe in my progress.
Excellent work. You completed your first 10 sentences.
Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's continue. Sentence 11. My English improves when I practice regularly. My English improves when I practice regularly. My English improves when I practice regularly. Sentence 12. I stay motivated even when lessons feel difficult. I stay motivated even when lessons feel difficult. I stay motivated even when lessons feel difficult. Sentence 13. Every small step helps me move forward. Every small step helps me move forward. Every small step helps me move forward. Sentence 14. I am developing strong speaking habits. I am developing strong speaking habits. I am developing strong speaking habits. Sentence 15. I learn something useful every day. I learn something useful every day. I learn something useful every day. Sentence 16. I can communicate better than before. I can communicate better than before. I can communicate better than before. Sentence 17. Speaking English becomes easier with practice. Speaking English becomes easier with practice. Speaking English becomes easier with practice. Sentence 18. I enjoy challenging myself. I enjoy challenging myself. I enjoy challenging myself. Sentence 19. I am patient with my learning journey. I am patient with my learning journey. I am patient with my learning journey. Sentence 20. My confidence grows with every lesson. My confidence grows with every lesson. My confidence grows with every lesson.
Fantastic. You've reached the halfway point.
20 sentences completed. Give yourself a smile.
You're doing something many learners never do. You're actually speaking, and that's where real improvement happens.
Now let's continue. Sentence 21. I can express my ideas clearly. I can express my ideas clearly. I can express my ideas clearly. Sentence 22. I feel comfortable speaking English. I feel comfortable speaking English. I feel comfortable speaking English. Sentence 23. I am becoming a better communicator. I am becoming a better communicator. I am becoming a better communicator. Sentence 24. I speak English with growing confidence. I speak English with growing confidence. I speak English with growing confidence. Sentence 25. Every practice session makes me stronger. Every practice session makes me stronger. Every practice session makes me stronger. Sentence 26. I am building a useful life skill. I am building a useful life skill. I am building a useful life skill. Sentence 27. I stay positive and keep learning. I stay positive and keep learning. I stay positive and keep learning. Sentence 28. I trust the learning process. I trust the learning process. I trust the learning process. Sentence 29. My effort today creates success tomorrow. My effort today creates success tomorrow. My effort today creates success tomorrow. Sentence 30. I am proud of the progress I am making. I am proud of the progress I am making. I am proud of the progress I am making.
Wonderful job. You have successfully completed today's English Tour Shadowing Challenge.
30 sentences. 30 opportunities to practice. 30 steps toward better English.
Remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight. It grows through consistent practice.
A few minutes every day can make a huge difference over time. If you enjoyed today's lesson, come back tomorrow for the next challenge.
And don't forget, speak a little, practice a little, improve a little, and soon you will be surprised and proud of the progress you have made.
Thank you for joining me on English Tour.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.